Yeah. What does that mean? Ah. What are you doing there? Come. Come over here. There we go. Up we go. There we go. Can we not go there? We're not going to the drawers. Alma. Right, so if we don't go to the drawers, we go to the... you have to be careful with your hands, my love. Okay, let's look for something else to do. Come on. Come with Mommy. Very interesting, the sound, isn't it? Let go. Good job, Alma. No. Okay, we close the drawers. Come on, we come out. What's in there? Wow.